beautiful people, welcome back to the channel for another excited video, people. Yeah man, today now go be a long introduction. Today decide say come have a swim. Yeah man, I'm there with one of the young general them people, high Q. So people need to stay tuned, you know, cause we are go have a swim, cook up a little stamp on the riverside. So people, stay tuned. Yeah man, Black's your boy out here, people. And today we're out on the riverside, we're up in the hills, people. So just stay tuned. Yeah man, heart of love. Yard and abroad, big up on yourself, you know. Yeah man. Yeah man, people, you know, when you're in the hills, you see a lot of stuff. Yeah man, people, this is a mother cow. Yeah man, see the mother cow over there, so. And this is a calf. Yeah man, he might get close, you know, and see the mother that come towards me. I don't know if I because I'm in look cub or no calf, cow calf, yeah. I don't know if I because I'm calf. Like him did I come close to me, because you know say normally them things are protective are them young ones. Yeah man, but it's a beauty, people. Yeah man, if you see such a big cow, you know. And him look a calf, yeah. So people wanna stay tuned, you know. Another excited video. Black's a boy out here, people. We are go up on the river, go do some cooking. Yeah man. Him friendly. Yeah man, him friendly. Nothing will make me touch him. Alright people, him kinda wild. But people, just stay tuned, people. Yeah man, me are gonna make you meet IQ, the Cubans, you know, people. Yeah man, me look a young general. Yeah? So stay tuned for the video. Yeah man, people reach on the river, you know, people. You see me? See young Cubans down there, so. Yeah man, what you say? So how you cook to the Cubans?
Roast some fish and curry pasta, not too.
Curry pasta you call it. Alright then my boss Dan say you do some curry pasta, you know. You see what I say, and some roast fish. You see what I say, people. So this video excited people, you know, have to stay tuned for this, you know. You get what I say? Yeah man, and remember, you know, people, like, share, leave a comment, people. Yeah man, I always have to big up Theodore Adventure. You see me? Color Simit. Big up yourself, J about the Baker Socks. Yeah man, the whole team, people. You see what I say? Yeah man. All of the generals them just big up on themselves, explore Jamaica, see them here. I always say yard and abroad, you see what I say? Yeah man, Leng, the New York crew, Uncle Steve, Uncle Alva, ride or die. You see what I say, people? So this video I just get more excited, people. So do some cooking, then you don't know what we are gonna do after that. We are take a swim. So people, stay tuned. Cubans, say something.
Stay tuned, make sure.
Alright. So whoa. See that? Yeah man, time to scale the fish them, man, cause Cuban they say I'm gonna scale them. But him back out, you see it, people, so we are scale the fish them, you know. You see what I say? Cuban show them the next fish. So this is a chub now, you know, people. You see what I say? Yeah man, and this are the parrot. So we are get them clean up. We get them clean up. Then you know the rest, people. So I want to see what go on, you know, people. We in a river and it's a running river, people, so we don't worry about nothing, you see it. Remember, so Theodore show me how to scale the fish them from so you have to scale it from up at the head them. Up at the head. It scale faster. And it really work out for show people. So we are scale up the fish them. So when we finish now, we'll make you see what go on. So people, stay tuned. Yes, my beautiful people. See what go on. Yeah man, the fish them scale up, people, you see it? Yeah man. Well clean. Inside this a flesh, people. Well clean. Inside out. Yeah man. See the people? Yeah man. So we are doing a chew off the water after him, you know. You don't know? Yeah man, you know some big fish. Don't know we are roast them, you see it, peeps. You know them huge, so what we have to do now, we are going to put some dice on them, you see it, peeps, cause Them big, so we want to wrap them up in a foil paper. See, so can soak right through them and them can get a proper roast. You see it, people? And them here we are roast them natural. The only thing we are going to add on them just some butter, garlic, some French thyme, yeah man, and some pepper. Just that. You don't know, and some seasoning, so we not really overdo them because we just have to just roast them naturally. You don't know it, go people. Yeah man, and then tell you what we are prepare overall. We are going to do some curry mac and cheese, people. We are try build for we own a mac and cheese, but we are curry it, you see it, people? Yeah man, with some natural cheese, some seasoning and some things same way. So people, we are dice up the fish them and make you see what I go on. You see it, people? So look what I go on. I put about 4 to 5 dice on each side. On the big one. Yeah man. Yeah man, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what I go on? Yeah man, and same so again for that one here, people. Kinda big him a drop out of me hand, you know, people. Yeah man. See what I go on? That one here kinda easier for roasting, you know, people. You see me? There's a parrot. And then there's a softer fish for the chub, you know? Yeah man, so see it, you know, people. Yeah man. So see what I go on in the pan. Chub, parrot, people. So when you just stay tuned, yeah man, and watch what I go on. So as you know, see, fish done wash and clean up. You understand me, I say, people? Yeah man. So we have to season them as well. Look now, people. You see it say the season them wash, but me still put them in some water same way. So we have to cut up with onion, because we are use half of the onion, you know, people, because we need some for the mac and cheese. You see it? Yeah man, so people, do some cutting up of the onions. Yeah man. Cut up the onions, you know, people. Yeah man, as I say, we not to add no bag of thing for roast with fish. Yeah man, just cut them up as fine as possible. See that, people? We have some French thyme, people. Yeah, we have cut up with French thyme on it as well. Yeah. You know, French thyme full of flavour, so we fish are go full of flavour, you know, peeps. You see me? Yeah man. And the pepper. See the pepper now, people. Cut it out because we are going to use mostly the pepper seed. You understand, peeps? Yeah man. We are using mostly the pepper seed. Yeah, because we want to get a little peppery flavour there in our fish. You get me? Then add some garlic, you know, people. Yeah. Add some garlic, peeps. See me now, peeps. Then we have a Maggi fish season, people. You see me? Yeah man, Maggi fish season. Yeah man, I want to see keenly what I go on down here, say, you know, people. Yeah man. Throw them out and we fish them. Yeah man. Alright, people. And then we are going to add a bit of salt. Yeah man. See that? Then we are going to rub up with fish them, people. You know? You know the pepper season, my people, carry more flavor than the pepper skin itself. You see it? So yeah. Yeah man. So after we do that, my people, man, so you see that now, people. Well seasoned up. So people, what we are going to do here now, we are going to cover him down, make him go and marinate. We are going to get some fire stick, make up a fire side. You get what me and say, my peeps, so just stay tuned for it. We are going to use the foil to cover it down. Use the foil to cover it down. So you can get some proper soaking for like 10 or 20 minutes. You see it, people? Yeah, man. Until we catch a fire. Yeah, man. So see him, the people. So just stay tuned, people. Yeah, man. I know I miss the episode there and Jamaica Lifestyle Blacks TV. Me and Cubans out here. Cubans say him can eat off a big wall of fish, so me I go test him out today. When he make up out of it. You see me, people? Yeah, man, and people from yard and abroad just go and bless up on yourself, continue support the channel. Yeah, man, and just tell on a friend and a family about it. You see it, people? So we're there here. Heart of love. And people, so we are look some stone for make a fireside. So see that stone here, people? Yeah, man, this is one nice stone that we are going to use. Maybe we have to go use 2 fireside. Probably we have to go use a fireside for the fish and a fireside for make with mac and cheese, because we don't know we want to finish kind of quick too. You see me? So we can go have a swim. You see what I say? So people, the stone here, I bring it over upon the rock where we are cook. So people, stay tuned. You hear? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people. So right here, so yeah, put the fire. Yeah, man. But I wonder if we turn a long way, so or the way, yeah. But if we turn it this way, you guys will get a better view. So we are going to turn the fire the way here, people. You see me? So we will need a next stone matching this. So you see that stone here now, people. If we get a next stone matching it, that means everything balanced. You see it, people? So we are get a next stone matching this, so people soon come back. So yeah, man, people, we are going to look some fire stick here now. Yeah, man, see Cuban around there, so you see what I say, people? Yeah, man, we look some fire stick, as you see. I don't think we have to go too far, peeps, because you know, I see some joystick nearby, you get me? But I just remove them and bring them with spar we are cook. You get me, peeps? Yeah, man, see it there? See some joystick, because them here are some joystick, you know, people. Yeah, man. Go through the bushes, people, see if we can, you know, find some fire stick. See that, people? That is a yam, you know, people. Somebody dig the yam here. You see what I say, peeps, and this are the yam head. You get what I say, people? This can plant over, you know, peeps. This can plant. See the people? This can plant and turn into, I think I go take them here and I go plant them, you know, peeps. You see me? What you say, farmer IQ?
Yeah, man.
You can plant them?
Of course. Everything you plant.
Alright, what you have on your farm so far?
I know I said they're dead out.
You not take care of your farm if you farm dead out. Yeah, man, people, we are buck up on a lot of yam, you see it, people? Yeah, man, they come like the land in the hills, they are fruitful, you know? We are buck up on a lot of yam where people dig. Yeah, man, you see it? See the next one over here, so. Yeah, man, see them now? Yeah? But the aim is to get some joystick and see one more piece here. Yeah, man. Nice little pieces, you know. Yeah, man, so throw it over there so where IQ can pick it up, you know. Yeah, man. See that, people? So we need a few more pieces of stick, you know. People, we just need a few more pieces of sticks, so can get to cooking. Them sticks are not really too wet to people, so that would do it good too. And meanwhile, we in the bush people, we have to look out for wasps as well, you know? Yeah man, wasps. Them the bite you know. Yeah man, we in the bush, we have to look out for wasps and other insects that bite. So people, we are going to try with the stick them we have now, you know. We don't really want to go over no more and trespass for nobody's property as well, you know. Yeah man, but there you people. Yeah man, dry stick there. So when we get here now peeps, my feel say that's good enough, you know. So try get the fire going, you know. Yeah man, and some other things, you know. No man, that's none of them. Man, I'll see I go through the bush with the stick and the peeps. Yeah man. Right back on the river coast. So peeps, next thing we are going to do now, we are going to get mac and cheese, you see it, together. You see me? Hmm? We are pasta you call it, mac and cheese I call it, you see it? Oh, that make the fire blaze. Yo, buns! You know what you mean. Proud of yourself, though. Yeah man, proud of himself, you know. Look people, man, the fire blaze, you know. Like it out up so Cuban. Huh? You like it out so?
No.
I know what? You know what?
Yeah, what then?
Funny man. Cuban, me lose half of you, me see her smile, me think the fire blaze up man. What you mean? Yeah. That's what you talk about Cubans. See we have water prepared down there so. But people me no want to know. Freeze me I put it in the water when it cool. You know so yo. Yeah man, them here are spaghetti people so. You know them can go in the water anytime, you know. So see the people. Want to break them. Yeah man, we not gonna use everything because we don't want to use too much and we pot small. You get what I say peeps? Yeah man, so we are break them. Yeah, we don't add no salt to it because you don't know when we are curry them up now. We are gonna add the salt people. Eat enough?
Of course.
Alright. Land the people. Cubans have to use the whole of it, you know, because he can't eat enough, you know. So I go do that. I do just that to him say people. So see it there now. Add the spaghetti to the pot people. Cover up time now. You cover him up, you know. Yeah man. So see it the people. So meanwhile that happen now people. I go wrap the fish them. You get what I say? Or cut up the season. I find something for doing in the meantime to speed up the process. You understand my people? So just stay tuned. Yeah man, heart of love. Yeah man people, so we have to check for my spaghetti and now people. You see me? Yeah man. Boil up people. Give it to our next 3 minutes. You see me? Because you don't know it go. Man people, so we ready now, you know peeps. Yeah man, we are doing wrapping of the fish, you know. We have them file here, but we use it cover it down to marinate. Yeah man, you know well over 30 minutes since I marinate people. You see me? Yeah man. Look how it look. You see me? Yeah man, beautiful, you know people. Yeah man, so get them wrap up here now. Get them wrap up here now. So use a file there. Yeah. Keep it off of the rack, you know. So first thing we do is grease up with file. Yeah man. Grease up with file. As I tell you, we not add no whole heap of nothing to eat my peeps, you see me? Yeah man. Alright. Put in the fish. Yeah, put him right there so. Yeah man. So some of the seasoning people drop it in him inside, you know. Can't use too much for one people, you get me? Yeah man, then start the process of wrapping him. Yeah man. So the first one to get wrapped. Yeah. Yeah man, rest him one side. Alright. So people see the next one you know. That I will chubbing up peeps. You see me? Yeah man, you might need a bigger file. Yeah man, so start the process of wrapping the second one you know people. Yeah man. You know him bigger. So yeah, we have to try doing from the hungry people. I don't know why that how I do it so. Or I have to go rock him so some more. Yeah man, and add some more grease. I only think we should have cut him. I have to go cut him, you know. Cause I really say I not just the bigness to you, see the strength of the file paper to people have a lot to do with it, so we are going to cut him. Yeah man, you see the amount of seasoning in him you know. Yeah man, so wrap him you know people. Yeah man. One here. Wrap him. Have a lot of file paper left off. Yeah, cause they are going to do him whole but you know say him huge, so yeah man. So peeps. Grease it up people. Yeah man. Put the rest of seasoning in this one. Yeah man people, remember them well seasoned up already. Alright. Yeah man people, so I go on. Sprig it to that now you know people, you see me? Yeah man. Well black boil. Leave the dish towel people so you know we have to create own a dish curry out in the wild. So what we are going to do now people, chew off the water, yeah? Yeah man. The bigger fish, so chew off this water. We have 2 pieces and 1 fish now people. Peeps, so see it there now. We have a spaghetti there, so Cuban saying can't eat all heap, you know. Me no believe in that still, but people see it now. All purpose to it, add all purpose to it. Yeah man. Alright. Alright my peeps. Chicken noodle. Yes people, so chicken noodle to it now people. We add a chicken noodle. Yeah man, chicken noodle. People them always say I not pronounce the thing them right. So you know we are Jamaican, so coconut milk. Yeah man. You really want to put it in the curry and make it burn, yeah? Put it in the noodle. get more flavor, people. You get me I say? Yeah man. You see that, people? Alright. Next we got the cheese. Yeah man. By right it should shed, but no, I don't have nothing for shed it out here, so people, so you have to just cut it up in it. Yeah man. So cut him up. Yeah man, try cut him up, cause we still are going to try our best to make it melt in the process. So see the people. Yeah man. By right, people, as I say, if it did shed, it would be much better. But what can we do? You know? Piece of cheese, Cubans. Go and eat and enjoy yourself. Yeah, man, people. So store time now, you know, people. Cubans, to me still, you know. If you don't eat off this noodle, you know, I ain't a problem, you know, brother. Because we never want so much. So nearly one base of noodle, you know, my boss. But see what I go on, people? Yeah, man. Cuban say he might eat a man, you know. So see where I'm up to. So people, we mix everything so the season them blend up with the noodle. Yeah, man. Coconut milk and everything. Yes, people. Flavoring. Right. Butter in a pot. Yeah man, I want the pot to rock too much, you know, my peeps. You don't know. Yeah man. Butter in a pot, my people. Yeah man. Same time. Add the seasoning. That's how we garlic with pepper. Onion. Yes, people. So on the two I go on now. Yeah man, we have add. See Cuban. Yes, I'm forget to put in the curry. So we have to go left the curry. People, I can't believe I forget to put in the curry. My God. Stirring time, you know? Yeah, man. Everything inside of there. Well seasoned up, well flavor up, my people. Yeah, man. So what we are going to do now? Add a bit of water now. Yeah, man. You know, I make a mistake and forget the curry, people, but these are the problem that now, people, you get me? And the reason why I add the water, people, is because the coconut milk in there, yeah, and the cheese. So, yeah, man. So we are give it some time to go on run a road. You see it, people? Yeah, man. Calm down, you know. Yeah, man, people. So as you see right now, our spaghetti complete. Yeah, man. We want to see how the cream and the cheese will melt, people. But look here now, all of the cheese not really melt because, as you know, we should have shed the cheese, but we not really bring nothing for shed it. So people, we are going to take off a pot. Yeah, man, and rest him over here, so, you know. Yeah, man. So what I go on here now, we are going to use up a waste foil paper them, you know, people, because we don't really want to fish them burn now here. So we can see if we can use the foil paper them. What we have left off, make some grill. So if we probably have to rest some stone, you know, use some stone for hold the foil paper. That's when the fish go up on it. It not drop. Them not drop through. So touch some water on it to test it, how hot it is. People, I don't know how long it go hold in the people, but you don't know. Yeah, man. So, see, they burn out already, people. This a method that not gonna work, it burn out already, see the people. So, I guess we just have to go put it on the raw fire. Yeah, man, I guess we have to go put it on the raw fire, my peeps. You get me? So, yeah, man, you can hear them a roast, you know, my peeps. So, this is the right way for roast them, my peeps. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. So, we are roast them on the stone. Yeah? Yeah, man, the right way for do it now, people. Yeah. Yeah, man, people, and you can't put too much fire under it neither, you know, because, you know want your fish them burn, you understand? Yeah, man. See what I go on the people? Yeah, man. Fish are roast. Yeah, man, my people, so the fish complete, as you see, you know. I can give them a close up and what I go on. Yeah, man. Fish them complete. See that, people? Yeah, man, king parrot. We never really add much stuff on it. So, you know, natural roast. As you see it. But it look like your mac and cheese can hold in this now, Cubans. Yeah, man. It's kind of difficult to share out because you don't know. Yeah, man. And watch the fish there. Yeah, man. Alright. People, I suggest if you try it at home, my peeps, please shed the cheese. Yes, so you don't get all the cheese melt. Cuban, you can eat half all of this? Sure? You want more?
Come on.
Alright.
Me that.
Are you this? Alright. Come on, people, so me, if you don't know me, you know some like fish head, people. So let's see what I go on here. Yeah, man. We create it in a people, coconut milk, rich in it in a peeps.
People, I'm not telling a lie about it, smell sweet still.
Yeah, man, see it, peeps. Yeah, man, this is enough for me, you know. Me no bad like Cuban, you know, people, you see me? Yeah, man, so cover down. Yeah, me did I go share this spaghetti, you know, these people, which are with mac and cheese. But change of mind, because I can hold another plate, people, so. See it, yeah? Yeah, man. What go on the Cuban?
Good, yeah, good man.
Cuban, you say you can eat off a big fish, you know. Yeah, man, people are natural roast, you know, people. Cuban are sucking spaghetti. Yeah, man, people, Cuban this, you know, man. Real general, you know. Mash up in food, you know. So go in a fish now, walk me a fish, make the people and see bone now, man. So everything well roast. Yeah, man, see the people. Everything well roast. Mac and cheese, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, people see it, I'm there, I enjoy my food, you know. Yeah, man, in the bush. On the riverside, my peeps, you see me? Yeah, man, the Cuban over there, so there. Cuban, for life. Yeah, man, people, so we are just going to eat some food in our bush. Yeah, man. Then you know we go, we take a swim. Yeah, man, and head back a land, you know. Yeah, man, people, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Food nice, spicy as well, so you don't know. Yeah. Yeah, man, people, it was a wonderful day out, you know. Cuban mash up in food. We don't underestimate the done, you know. So, people, you don't know. Nice video. Only thing I look exposure kill with from the sun, so certain part kind of have too much lighting, you know. You know, Cuban don't really understand it, but we can't cuss him people. But Hope you enjoy the video. You get what me I say, 'cause I'm do a great job. You understand what me I say? Yeah, man, and until next time, people. Yard and abroad, big up on yourself. You see what me I say? Yeah, man. Great video. Stay tuned. What you say, Cuban?
Make sure you like and subscribe, please.
Yeah, man, people. Alright, big up on yourself. You see it?